Today we're going to learn how to make this beautiful coconut foam. And for this we'll be needing the coconut milk, the creamer or siphon, and it comes in 3 parts. So this goes on top, and then you need a cream cartridge to insert here. So first off, let's mix the coconut cream. If you pour only coconut milk, the foam will be very firm. If you dilute the coconut milk with, let's say, sugar, it'll be less creamy and less firm. You need a balance of this. And for me, I typically use 20% of the solution is sugar. Okay? So in terms of our siphon here, this is half a liter. And this is a 1 liter siphon. So for this size, you need half a liter. So 4 deciliters of coconut milk and 1 deciliter of simple syrup. If you're using a 1 liter siphon, you need to double that. So that means 8 centiliters of coconut milk and 2 centiliters of simple syrup. And for the small siphon, you need 1 cartridge. For the large siphon, you guessed it, 2 cartridges. But since we're doing just a small one today, we only need 1 cartridge. Okay, so let's mix this. So we needed 4 centiliters and 1 deciliter of simple syrup. And now that we have this mixture, we're going to pour it in our siphon or creamer. That. And we're screwing this is the wrong head. It's for the different model, for the 1 liter one. This is the correct one. Oh, one more thing I need to mention. So this rubber ring needs to be inside the head. All right? Or else the gas won't stay inside the siphon. All right, we have it on tight there. And now time for the cartridge. So the cartridge, the opening goes into here. We're going to slide it in there. And then I'm screwing it until I feel a bit of resistance. Okay, so it's almost open now. And now I'm gonna take a firm grip and I'm gonna twist fast. All right. Shake it a little bit. After you mix it, you need to make sure that the liquid is cold before you use the creamer. If it's not cold, it won't come out firm. It'll be like liquid. It will not be firm. So that's something I want to emphasize. It needs to be cold. And now let's make a cocktail and apply the foam on the top. Now it's time to use the creamer and put the foam on top of the cocktail. But before we do that, instead of doing it on the actual drink, always make sure that you try it out before. So let's have a look. I've kept this in the fridge for 30 minutes, so I know that the liquid is thoroughly cold. And now we're going to try it and see if it's firm enough for the drink. Just gently. Okay, yeah, it looks good, nice and firm. And now we can apply it to the drink. Give it a good old twist. And we have a really nice foam with a nice finish. And we can top it off with some dried raspberries here. Oh man, that looks delicious.